From the filmmakers who created The Prince of Egypt comes the next in a series of classic stories. DreamWorks Home Entertainment invites you on an all-new animated adventure. The film critics call epic and grand. Storytelling at its best. A story that will live forever.
Tell Pharaoh about my gift, please.
I'm told you merely need to hear a dream, and you can explain it.
That is true.
This holiday season, believe in the miracle of dreams. DreamWorks Home Entertainment presents the classic story of one man and his incredible gift. Joseph, King of Dreams. Own the film the entire family can enjoy. The legend of a lost city of gold. And the two men brave enough to find it.
DreamWorks Home Entertainment presents The Toughest.
Yo, your horse bit me in the butt!
The brightest.
How's the escape plan coming?
And the bravest adventurers the world has ever seen.
Gel and Tulio, mighty and powerful gods.
Hello.
Now you can join them
We don't have a map. We don't have a plan.
on their fun-filled adventures
Who's the guy?
You the guy! No, you the guy!
to a place few have ever seen before.
Dorado.
This is your chance
We'll follow that trail.
What trail?
to take an incredible journey. It's the film Joel Siegel calls solid gold, and Roger Ebert gives it thumbs up. Now on video and DVD from DreamWorks Home Entertainment.
Here's the plan. We find the city of gold, we take the gold, and then we row back to Spain like there's no mañana.
Everybody jump!
The Road to El Dorado.
And that's your plan, is it?
That's pretty much it. Well, I like it.
Own it on video and DVD.
DreamWorks Pictures and Artman present
Let's rock and roll!
Chicken Run.